back for those who've followed me on this journey for such a long time. It's been 4 years in August that I started this car, and I've done quite a lot on it. I'm going to try and keep this short because I want to keep this video to about 5 minutes, and then I find that people are not watching my videos when they're like 15 minutes long, and they're watching videos that are a minute long. So I'm just going to keep it short. So you're going to see me paint this bike panel. I've done a test panel on my bootleg, the old one, and it were absolutely full of shit because I was blowing it and I had that blue. If you look at the video, the short that I put on, it has that blue cover on it, and it were absolutely full of shit, and I just blew it all over the boot lid. I don't need to paint it again, but I can flat and polish it. So I'm going to put you on fast time lapse now. I'm going to paint this back panel. Right, what did you think of that? It actually looks quite good. I'm surprised with all the overspray and everything, but I'll let you have a look at it now. So you can actually see me in it. It's actually really clean. I've got the heater on. It's cleaner than the boot lid, I'll tell you that. I'll give you a little look underneath. I'm sticking to the floor and everything. There's loads of paint under there. You can even sit video inside it. Probably a couple of bits of the one, you can see them, one there and one, 2 or 3 there. Now when I did that boot lid, I told you that when I was blowing the sheeting off, it blew it all over it, and when you saw the video you could see the shit, sorry I shouldn't really say that word, you could see the dirt imperfections. Excuse my language, but you can see the dirt imperfections absolutely everywhere. And like I said, I'm going to flat and polish that boot lid, probably just sand it down. I may even re-clear it, probably quicker to do that. So I'm really impressed with that, and then I'll get on to quarter panel. So thanks for watching.